Hello everyone, we're standing here today at Connecting Green Hydrogen Europe in Madrid, organized by Leaders Associates. My name is Johann Wiebe, Executive Director from the Hydrogen Standard, and I'm standing here today with Scott Feiste from Watlow. Welcome, Scott.
Thank you.
Well, great to have you. Let's dive right in. Watlow, what do you guys do?
So Watlow is a global industrial technology company that focuses on high efficiency thermal systems that we provide to some of the world's leading companies.
Okay, great. Could you tell us a little bit of an introduction as to sort of like how big is the business? What sort of divisions do you have? So maybe also in terms of the various vertical pillars.
Sure. Yeah, Watlow is we've been in business for over 100 years. We are a US-based company. However, we are also a global company. We have 13 manufacturing facilities, roughly 4,500 employees worldwide. Okay. And we have large presences in Asia, North America, as well as Europe.
Okay, great. The three verticals that you focus on are energy and environmental tech. The other two?
Energy and environmental technologies, semiconductor and electronics, and then we have our thermal solutions business unit. Yes.
So in regards to sort of hydrogen, what sort of vertical would that fall into?
So the hydrogen business, that would fall in our energy and environmental technologies business unit.
So hydrogen then production, you guys are quite engaged into that element or that sector, so to speak. What is it exactly what sort of solutions are you offering there?
So we provide highly reliable, high temperature, scalable solutions for technologies such as solid oxide electrolysis, sustainable aviation fuel production, also taking waste plastics and converting them to synthetic fuels or synthetic gas, as well as hydrogen.
Solid oxide electrolyzers are maybe not the predominant technology used at the moment, or at least discussed in the hydrogen industry. Usually we're talking about alkaline or PEM. Nevertheless, they offer some significant advantages over sort of the other technologies. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So a solid oxide electrolysis technology is going to be, it's one of your most efficient conversion. It's a higher CapEx investment, but it's more of the more efficient conversion technologies to producing hydrogen, but it requires very high temperatures, okay, versus your alkaline or your PEM technology, okay? And we have very high temperature heat solutions that are reliable, tested, tried and true technologies that have been around for decades.
Working with high temperatures then can be a challenging environment. The impact on the degradation of materials and applications, and I'm sure many more. What are some of the main challenges that you have to deal with, and how do you guys sort of provide a solution to that?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. So you have material challenges, of course, at the higher temperatures, but you also have reliability. So these customers, they don't want to take these products apart after just a year because maybe something failed, right? They want a minimum of 5 years, most customers, before they start doing maintenance. And we have high temperature solutions that can provide that reliability for up to 5 years or greater.
So the higher temperatures are found quite often in specific industries, maybe so to speak. I mean, hydrogen can be is opted as a solution to many different applications, so to speak. But a few stand out, and industry is one of them. Hard to decarbonize sort of like places, so to speak. Steel, glass, cement, and solid oxide makes sense in that environment. Can you tell us a little bit why that is?
Yeah. So along with hydrogen technology, we're also seeing a lot of activity in the other areas for decarbonization, and that would be, as you mentioned, such as steel, cement industry, gypsum, where traditional heat sources were a fossil fuel, gas burner, for example, and they are now converting those heat technologies to electric. They're also a very highly, they require very high power density. So because of that, we have a medium voltage technology called the Power Safe product that we are now servicing, or that we are now marketing and selling into the industry.
And is sort of like your technology widely utilized in solid oxide electrolyzers, or is it also applicable into sort of like other electrolyzer technology, despite the fact that the temperatures might be not that high?
Yes, we do also participate in some PEM technologies, as well as alkaline. Not so much with the heat technology, but also Watlow, we provide the entire thermal loop. So that would be the electric heat, sensing, power, temperature control, but we also have the ability to pull the data from that thermal system so that you can tell how the performance is and maybe tweak and optimize the process further.
So if I understand it correctly, you obviously provide this sort of application, the technology to be implemented in the process, but then also the process generates data, and that data can be analyzed, and sort of like conclusions and recommendations and optimizations can take place as well following the sort of the interpretation of that data.
Yes, that is correct. Yes.
So a key feature and attribute. Finally then, tell us what is one of the key attributes of Watlow, what makes your business stand out?
So Watlow, we are the leader in electric thermal systems globally. We've been around for over 100 years, so we have some history. We kind of know how things are done, and we reinvest annually on highly in developing new products and technologies to stay in front of what our customer needs are in the marketplace.
Fantastic. Scott Feiste, thank you very much.
Thank you.